It's with honor to welcome and appreciate each one of our panelists to be here with us today. Starting, of course, here closest to me with Mr. David Stradling, who has been a teacher for 30. Next, we have Mr. Matthew Cubiero. This is a firearms attorney from Michael Lawyers Associates PC, attorneys at law. Our practice area includes firearm regulatory compliances and litigation. And of course, we have Ms. Nicky Dare, founder of the iDARE nonprofit in Dare Education with its mission to save lives. She collaborated with LAFD and CERT for an active shooter training in 2018 and conducted more since then.
I am an advocate, to safety and survival. I am the founder of iDARE with its mission to save lives through our grassroots works by educating, mobilizing resources for disaster risk reduction and sustainability. That's all we do. This is our organization DNA.
We're participating and coming out to the active shooter awareness and preparedness community. Thank you.
But many of natural disasters, we cannot predict them. Only to prevent and prepare ourselves. Preparedness is therefore key to our survival. Our world is changing, and it's changing very rapidly. After these changes and challenges, environmentally, socially, culturally, in doing business too as well. Many aspects in our lives today.
One of the things that they do, and when you look at it from the outside, is they always ring the active.
Let's continue to build resilient communities while empowering others in positive ways and staying prepared for potential disasters. Being the status quo, we need to continue to eradicate the mentality, this will never happen to us. Who agrees with that?
Yeah. We are not have it.
I strongly believe in the quality of education in our next generation. I also personally believe that disaster preparedness, both in natural and man-made disasters, should be integrated as a knowledge base into our current, a little bit outdated, education system. We should teach our kids, we should teach our next generation to stay safe. Self-reliance is therefore key to our survival. Apathy, complacency, and denial are the top 3 common barriers to a good situational awareness, to a good SA. Situational awareness is the ability to identify, process, comprehend, understand the elements of information